Is innovative machine. CycleDrag.com. We got a treat for you. We're going to show you the quickest motorcycle pass in the history of Australia. Jay Upton and Chris Matheson ready to duke it out. Watch Matheson from a few years back. What a comeback story for Matheson. Matheson came off the bike, a devastating crash.
Oh my goodness, off the bike.
But years later, Matheson was back, ready to make history. Jay Upton was looking to do the same. With his motorcycle rebuilt and his crash behind him, could Chris Matheson make history once again? Coming into this race, the all-time record in Australia was a 6:04, held by that man, the Nitro Voodoo pilot, Chris Matheson. Two of the most unique and innovative motorcycles in the world. This is Top Fuel Motorcycle. Two talented, courageous riders looking for history. Chris Matheson, Jay Upton. Let's give you a look now from Chris Matheson's point of view as he gets ready to crack the throttle on 2,000 horsepower. Great 60-foot time, Chris Matheson. Watch that scoreboard, ladies and gentlemen, at the top end. 6:03, 192 miles an hour. A career best for Chris Matheson. The quickest motorcycle run ever in Australia. Let's go on board Matheson. A fistful of throttle and courageously, undauntedly gets to the finish line with a new career best.
6:03, how about it? Yeah, that was right. Congratulations.
Here we are with the man of the hour, an apple a day. Makes the 5 want to stay, huh? Congratulations, 6:03, career best. Now what I'm hearing was not even a full pull. Tell me about it.
Out of it about, I think 850, wasn't it, Phil? 820. 820 feet.
820. So how's that make you feel? You know you've got it if you can stay in the throttle.
Yeah, if we can get a good straight run. I started going to the centre line a bit on that one, so it was a bit of a hesitation, and it was a qualifier, so we sort of did enough. I didn't want to bin it on the first one. We've got 2 more to do, so we'll have another go in about an hour and see how we go a little bit further in the next one.
Congratulations, Chris Matheson. And if you like what you see here, guys, please do me a favor. Go to Cycle Drag YouTube and check out the 90-minute feature called Chasing Fives that highlights the intense battle between Chris Matheson and Jay Upton and their quest to run a 5-second run down under. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you for subscribing to Cycle Drag on YouTube. Thank you for liking CycleDrag.com on Facebook. More coming.